Good evening, everyone. All good?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And I hope you must have gone through the document or the topic which we have discussed so far from the last 3 days, right?
Yes.
We spoke about the buyer roles and responsibility, right? So, any questions so far? Target questions to understand the buyer roles and responsibility, or I will have a very short Q&A sessions so that we will get to know where do we stand, and then for today we'll proceed on the planned topic. So any questions so far?
Sir,
Yeah, Pranam, please go ahead.
hello,
If
sir.
you Yeah.
Sir, tactical situation, sir, सेटा टिके जाने
Okay. Tactical situations. So tactical
Yes, sir.
situations last time ଆମେ ଯେମିତି discuss କରିଥିଲେ କ'ଣ ନା it's a spot situation. Okay, there is no long term plan. It's a short term plan, you can say. Means there is some item which is short term plan to obtain. I mean, as a buyer, I need to buy from the market or from my supplier to make the fulfillment of the requirement. For an example, every company रे ଆମର IT hardware या office supplies, right, ये सब जिनिस थाए. Correct? Yeah, every organization. So if you see any type of organizations, not only IT, any type of organizations, you can take example of bank, hospitals. You can take example of any manufacturing company who produces products. You can take any service industries also, like security services we have, right? SIS securities or any type of service industries. So as a tactical situation, how it handle is, or how the buyer of operational areas or operational buyer, how they handle is, ଯେମିତି କି ମୁଁ ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଟାଇମ୍ କହିଥିଲି ଯେ ଆମକୁ କିଛି ଗୋଟେ ରିକ୍ୱାରମେଣ୍ଟ ଆଜ୍ ଏ ସର୍ଟ ଟର୍ମ ହିସାବରେ ଆସୁଛି, ସୋ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ୱିଲ୍ ଗୋ ଟୁ ଦ ମାର୍କେଟ, ୱିଲ୍ ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟଲି ବାଇ ଇଟ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଫୁଲଫିଲ୍ ଦ ରିକ୍ୱାରମେଣ୍ଟ. ଫର୍ ଏନ୍ ଏକ୍ସାମ୍ପଲ୍, ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱରରେ ଫର୍ ଏନ୍ ଏକ୍ସାମ୍ପଲ୍ ଗୋଟେ कंपनी नवा आम एबीसी कंपनीज किछि भी एग्जिस्ट करे जहाँ भी, सो सेमानंकर ऑफिस सप्लाईज हुए, लाइक सेमान every company or every organizations, if you are already working in some of the organization, you can also correlate. Office supplies means all the official stationaries like pen, paper, notebooks or any record keeping documents. So से सब पे long term planning दरकार नहीं. आमर जितना requirement आसे, we directly go to any of the local store or any known store or any reputed stores which we know. We go there, we buy it. Similarly, as a tactical or operational buyer, what they do is they just produces RFQ to the supplier who can supply that item. They get the price of that item and then they create the purchase order, followed by they will do the goods receipt, which is very short term, means it's a spot buy. You do not have any time frame. जेमती strategic buyer we know the time frame कि हमारा production हिसाब रे हमारा raw material purchase जहाँ भी हुए, so it must have to have the proper planning. Means they'll have the demand, customer demand is related to that, right? And they always think strategically how they can plan a long term savings by putting the contract term with the vendor or with the supplier. They maintain very good relationship with the supplier. That is what called supplier compliance, or maintain relationship with the supplier, so that what they will make is the benefit of making the good relationship with the supplier is the supplier ra jadi kichi item ya kichi product, if they are going to discontinue ya obsolete, so they can let you know prior it gets obsoleted. Means सेटा डिस्कंटिन्यू हबा आगुरु सेमाने एज ए सप्लायर दे विल इन्फॉर्म ऑल ऑफ देयर गुड बायर्स और देयर प्रीमियम कस्टमर्स, सो दैट व्हाट हैपन यू कैन प्लान प्रॉपर्ली एज ए स्ट्रेटेजिक बायर. यू कैन प्लान कि जेमती कि तारा सब्स्टिट्यूट जदि किछि नाही मार्केट रे या सेम सप्लायर डजंट हैव एनी सब्स्टिट्यूट, देन एटलीस्ट यू कैन request extremely to extend the production of that item for a time being, certain time पे तमे extend करी परिबो request करी कि supplier को. Otherwise you can store that item at least for 6 months or for 1 year productions. By the time you also plan to obsolete the material, or you plan to revise your material according to the availability of the raw materials. जेमती कि हमर सब कार रो सब वेरिएंट आसे. If you have known or if you have seen, जे कोनोसी भी मोबाइल हला कि ऑटोमोबाइल है एमान सब वेरिएंट आसे, राइट? सेम प्रोडक्ट रो मल्टीपल वेरिएंट्स थे. जेमती कि आईफोन नवा आईफोन गोटे बेस मॉडल रहउची, गोटे प्लस रहउची, गोटे प्रो रहउची, गोटे प्रो मैक्स रहउची, राइट? सिमिलरली ऑटोमोबाइल इंडस्ट्री गोटे कार रो मॉडल देखियो या गोटे टू व्हीलर रो मॉडल्स देखियो, तर वेराइटी सेगमेंट्स आसे. दे विल हैव बेस मॉडल, दे विल हैव अप टू टॉप एंड मॉडल. तो कौन पे इधर सब वेरिएंट था? बिकॉज सम ऑफ द न्यू फीचर ऑन टॉप ऑफ दैट प्रीवियस मॉडल देखिए या प्रीवियस सेगमेंट रे जदि किछि डिफेक्ट आसी थाए सेटा को से रिजॉल्व करिकि न्यू मॉडल रे छाडंती. तो जोथि पे कहना तार वेराइटी सेगमेंट आसे, गोटे टाइम पे से सेगमेंट उडा चले आ सेगमेंट जेतले ऑब्सोलेट बा डिसकंटिन्यू हे जे तार टोटल प्रोडक्शन ही बंद करा जाए काहे ना तार स्पेयर पार्ट रे डिफेक्टिव थिला या तार जो मटेरियल्स यूज हुए सेतरे किछि डिफेक्टिव थिला आ जोथि पे कस्टमर डिमांड भी कमी गेला एंड कस्टमर रे डिमांड नै कि समान प्रोडक्ट को ऑब्सोलेट करंती या डिसकंटिन्यू करंती या रिवाइज करंती या नुआ टेक्नोलॉजी एडवांस्ड टेक्निक्स यूज करिकी पॉकेट फ्रेंडली या कॉस्ट फ्रेंडली मटेरियल्स भी प्रोडक्शंस करंती so that these all are things comes under strategically thinking of the buyer so that they can have a long range plan जेमती कि मोटे एग्जांपल आउट कहूची तुम मनकर एबे धर गोटे प्रॉपर्टी अछि इन भुवनेश्वर यू हैव ए प्रॉपर्टी सो यू मे हैव टू डिफरेंट प्लान्स फॉर ए लॉन्ग टर्म प्लान यू मे बिल्ड वन हाउस फॉर योर ओन सेटलमेंट या निजे रहबा पय फॉर योर ओन ऑक्युपेंसी you can build one house so you'll have a proper budget plan right कि मोर एति बजेट रखले मोर एति 1 BHK हला कि 2 BHK कि 3 BHK मु रूम बनई परिबी या घर बनई परिबी जदि मु लॉन्ग टर्म प्लान करे दैट इज योर शॉर्ट टर्म प्लान्स बिकॉज you want to make the immediate fulfillment of owning a house but मु द लॉन्ग टर्म प्लान करे from commercial perspective from gaining a money out of that तो मु कोन करिबी ना सेटा गोटे कमर्शियल साइड रो बनई परिबी on top of that I can also make some residential homes so that I can let it on rent means I can lend to my tenant and gain some money earn some money out of that property so that's a long range plan or long term plan or strategical plans. Similarly operational plan is or tactical plan is you want to own a house so you have property you utilize to build up a house there so that se ghorata tomor hei paribo for a short term plan or for a tactical purpose. Is it clear? So long range plan जेतले आसे generally गोटे buyer strategically mindset रखे strategically thought process रखे but जेते बेले गोटे process रो या जेते बेले गोटे organization जेतले short term रो plan चले या spot plan चले सेतले operational buyer माने picture को आसंदी से माने tactically situations को handle करंदी जे मोर एतिक requirement अछि तो मु गोटे vendor नले आउटे vendor टू नै जी because more just I just need to fulfill that requirement. It doesn't matter what is the price gaps or the savings would be less, right? जोटी 5% margins मिलुथो या discount मिलुथो जोटी की long term plan करले minimum 20-30% margin I can make the profit for my organization या cost savings for my organization. Clear or any doubts?
Clear, sir.
Okay. Any further question related to the
sir?
buyer? Yes, Ayush. Please go ahead.
सर पीओ क्रिएशन तो माने अपस्ट्रीम लोकेशन रो आसे ना मन पीओ
Sorry,
क्रिएशन सर ये जो पीओ क्रिएशन अपन मेंशन करछन ऑपरेशनल बायर रे
हाँ, हाँ.
सर पीओ क्रिएशन द वेंडर तरफ रो आसे ना माने जो अपस्ट्रीम लोकेशन
ना ना भेंडर तरफ आसेनी भेंडर पाखु को पियो जाए जदि तमे एसडी साइड रो मे बी इफ यू आर थिंकिंग फ्रॉम द सेल्स पर्सपेक्टिव you will get a order from your customer right तम पाखु गोटे ऑर्डर आसे कस्टमर रो एंड कस्टमर व्हाट दे क्रिएट इज धर मोर जहाटा दरकार मु परचेज ऑर्डर क्रिएट करिवि अगेंस्ट परचेज ऑर्डर सेल्स ऑर्डर will be generated which your debit note you are asking from the SD point of view right from sales and distribution side ro तो
अगेन
sales
माने प्रीवियस क्लास रे डिस्कस हेतिला पीओ तो माने जो एग्रीमेंट बिटवीन सेलर एंड द बायर ना तो से
Okay.
तो ग्रेजुअली माने पीओ टा कहे बोले इटा माने
हाँ
भेंडर
पीओ टा होची लीगल डॉक्यूमेंट पीओ रो क्रिएटर तार ओरिजिन कोठु गोटे बायर ही तो पीओ बनाए ना गोटे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जी बाय करे जी परचेज करे किछ आइटम को से ही तो पीओ बनाइबो ना
हां
ओरिजिन इज
बायर
फ्रॉम
हां बायर तो माने जो आरएफक्यू पठेबो माने वेराइटी माने डिफरेंट सेलर को पठेबो
करेक्ट
हां
करेक्ट
तापर जो माने कोटेशन आसीबो तापर सीए बेस्ट माने जो कोन सिलेक्ट करियो तांको
करेक्ट करेक्ट यू आर राइट
हां तापर कि से जो माने जो सप्लायर माने चेक जो तारा प्रोसेस थिबो सी चेक करियो पुनी से सेतबा जे कि सी माने जो पीओ माने सेटा जनरेट हो ना
ना ना तमे जोटा बुझिছো ठीक बुझिছো बट यू आर अनेबल टू पिक्चराइज इट वेरी इन टर्म्स ऑफ द प्रोसेस फ्लो जदि P2P प्रोसेस साइड रो देखा जाए तमे जेतले कोटेशंस दउ रिसीव करछो जेतले RFQ जनरेट होउची एठी मल्टीपल सप्लायर्स मानको डिस्पैच कलो तम RFQ राइट
अगेन
तो मल्टीपल सप्लायर मानको टू मल्टीपल रिस्पांस मिलियो मींस यू विल ऑब्टेन
Again.
मल्टीपल कोटेशंस राइट
हां
So
Again.
amongst them you will finalize one of the supplier yeah multiple
Oh.
supplier with partitions to 50% जेमति कि तमे चाहछो जे 50% of the quantity you will award to vendor 1 How 50% of the quantity you wanted to award it to vendor 2. That means there will be 2 PO to be created. Kind of different vendor here altogether, right?
Mhm.
So that means supplier are different. So as a buyer supplier कौन basis रे तुमको dispatch करिवो या material supply को basis रे करिवो? There must be some legal document, right?
Again.
So say legal document is nothing but your purchase order.
Hmm.
So as a buyer, I will create a purchase order. I'll give it to my supplier. Based on that document, supplier will ship the material to my factory or my premises or to my organization. Against what? Against a money, against certain cost. ଯେମିତି ଆମେ କିଛି କାହାକୁ ଅର୍ଡର ଦଉଛେ ତ ସେଇ ମ୍ୟାଟରରେ ଯଦି ଏସଏପି ଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡ ପଏଣ୍ଟରୁ ଦେଖାଯାଏ it creates the purchase order. ତମେ ଯେକୌଣସି organization not only in SAP, if you take any type of ERP, be it your Tally, be it your Oracle or any type of ERP, so there is always a concept of purchase order being generated from the buyer, and as a next, buyer will produce the purchase order and hand over it to the supplier. Okay, so against that purchase order, supplier will dispatch the material against that purchase order. Is it clear, Ayush, or still you have
Yes,
doubt?
sir. Yeah.
So don't get confused. So process flow from the material management perspective or from sourcing and point of view, it always, as a buyer, I have the ownership of creating the purchase order and hand over it to my supplier. So against that document, your supplier will dispatch the material to your location, and for that
सर
item
हमको एसओ माने दिया जाए बिलिंग पाई सेल्स ऑर्डर गोटे नंबर तो सेटा पीओ एग्नेस्ट रिलीज हुए ना
correct. तो जेते बेले तमरो SO create हुए, that means you are creating SO against what?
Sales
Customer
order,
order, right?
परचेस ऑर्डर हां
Purchase customer or purchase order against it, तमे sales order create करो. As sales order
Right.
against it, you will create the billing document, right? That means you are
Right.
creating a bill for your customer. So that bill is nothing but for your customer, means who buys that item. For them it is an invoice. So say amount of invoices when you are dispatching the material to your customer. Once customer receive that material and how much you have quoted, the same amount must be going to your invoices. So that is the another part of or another side of, or I would say the opposite side kaharo purchase order opposite side seda. ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ ପରଚେଜ ଅର୍ଡର କ୍ରିଏଟ୍ କରୁଛେ ଆମେ ଏକ୍ସପେକ୍ଟ କରୁଛେ କ'ଣ ନା ଭେଣ୍ଡର ଆମକୁ ଗୋଟେ ବିଲ୍ ଦେବ ବା ଇନଭଏସ୍ ଦେବ. ଓକେ, ଲେଟ୍ସ ଟେକ୍ ଆନ୍ ଏକ୍ସାମ୍ପଲ ମି ଆଜ୍ ଏ ସପ୍ଲାୟର ଆଣ୍ଡ ସନ୍ଦୀପ ଆଜ୍ ଏ ବାୟର. ତ ସନ୍ଦୀପ ତମେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ପରଚେଜ କରୁଛ ହ୍ୱାଟ୍ ୟୁ ୱିଲ୍ କ୍ରିଏଟ୍? ୟୁ ୱିଲ୍ କ୍ରିଏଟ୍ ଏ ପରଚେଜ ଅର୍ଡର ଟୁ ମି କି ସାର୍ ମୋର ଏଇ ଆଇଟମ୍ ଦରକାର, କି ଏଇ ମଟେରିଆଲ୍ସ ମୋର ଦରକାର ପ୍ରଡକ୍ସନ୍ସ ପାଇଁ ୟା ଅଫିସ୍ ସପ୍ଲାଇଜ୍ ପାଇଁ ୟା XYZ ମୋର ଯାହା ରିକ୍ୱାରମେଣ୍ଟ ଅଛି ଆଜ୍ ପର୍ ଦ ଅର୍ଗାନାଇଜେସନ୍ ନିଡ୍. ସୋ ହ୍ୱାଟ୍ ଆଇ ୱିଲ୍ ଡୁ ଇଜ୍ I will supply the material against that order and I will bill or I will create a bill against that supply of material. तो तमे कौन करिवो तम पे सेटा कोन हबो ना तमे फर्स्ट परचेज ऑर्डर क्रिएट करथला लाइक दिस स्टेप. ओके, लाइक दिस स्टेप you have created purchase order. So when I dispatch the material, you will do the goods receipt. तमे goods receipt भी कलो काना तमे एक्नॉलेज कलो ना जिनसटा न पहुंचले तमे कम पे कर दोगी केबे तो पे करियो ना आइटम न मिले पर्यंत. तो once you will receive the material, then me as a supplier to Sandeep, I produces one billing document to you Sandeep stating these are item mu send karichi ki mu supply karichi and तार प्राइस होची एआई प्लस मोर टैक्स जीएसटी कि XYZ जहाँ भी टैक्सेशंस रहित हो as per the government law and regulations I need to produce that as a bill. So say bill टा तम पे कोन होबो ना as a invoice. So you have to pay that amount to me. तो मु सप्लाई कली, you acknowledge that yes I have received the material. Now I acknowledge that also the amount which I have supplied, you have to pay that amount to me so that you process the invoices and make the payment to my account. Is it clear? Or shall I repeat once more?